Hello students, welcome to my channel Chori Math. I'm going to be working out this Olympiad question displayed on the screen. Now, checking the question out, it looks as if it's difficult, but it's actually simple. This is 9 raised to power A, then minus 4 raised to power B is equals to 17. Now, why this question seems to be a bit complicated is we have 9 raised to power A, then minus 4 raised to power B. The powers are different, A and B. Supposing they are the same, then it would have been a lot easier. But we can work out something here. Now, what do we do? Now, do you know that your 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2, then 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. So substitute to make the question easier. Then we are going to have 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power A minus 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power B is equals to 17. Okay, now remember in my previous video I told you if you have x that is in indices x raised to power n raised to power m, this can be written as x raised to power m raised to power n. All right, why? Because m times n is commutative. Okay, multiplication is commutative, so whether m times n or n times m is still the same. So once I know this, do you know I can write this as 3 raised to power A all squared minus 2 raised to power B all squared is equals to 17. Now it's taking shape and now it's looking like something that has to do with difference of two squares. All right. So what will I do now? Let me have it this way. Let x be 3 raised to power A, then y should be 2 raised to power B. Okay, just to simplify further. Then this will now be x squared minus y squared is equals to 17. Now, using the knowledge of this difference of two squares, this is going to be x plus y into x minus y is equals to 17. Now, the good thing here is this. I'm going to show you a trick, very interesting, that will help you to get your values or the answers. Now, do you know that x plus y into x minus y can be written as 17 times 1? Still the same thing. Now, of course, we know that x plus y must actually be far greater than x minus y. Now, if we agree to that, then we can now say x plus y should be equals to 17. Then x minus y should be equals to 1. And this has now led us to simultaneous equation. So can we just work it out to get our values of x and y? Yes, we can work it out. Now, I'm going to be using elimination method. Now, I can decide to add or subtract because everything is very simplified here. So let me add. Adding here, I'm going to have 2x, then y goes is equals to 18. So my x is equals to 18 over 2, which is equals to 9. So I've gotten my x. Then I can get my y by saying x minus y is equals to 1. So I have 9 minus y is equals to 1. So minus y is equals to 1 minus 9. Minus y is equals to minus 8. So my y is equals to 8. Now, I've gotten my x and y. But recall, I actually introduced x and y. So I have to come down to this, all right, where I said x is 3 raised to power a and y is 2 raised to power b. So therefore, recall that my x is 3 raised to power a. Now, if my x is 3 raised to power a, I'm going to fix the value of x, which is 9. So I'm going to have 9 is equals to 3 raised to power a. Now, this is going to be 3 raised to power 2 is equals to 3 raised to power a. So since their bases are the same, then it means that the powers must be the same. Hence, we can say that a is equals to 2. We've gotten a. Now, take note, this place is actually 2. Let me write it well so that you will not be confused. This is 2, all right? So, then the other part is to get the value of b. We can actually get it too. We know that y is equals to 2 raised to power b. Therefore, we know that y is 8. So we are going to say 8 is equals to 2 raised to power b. Now, this is 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 2 raised to power b. Just like we made the conclusion in the first part, as far as their bases are the same and the two entities are said to be the same, then the powers must be the same too, so that my b will be equals to 3. So you see, I've worked out this question completely by getting my answers for a and b. And once you bring them back into the equation or into the question given, you'll find out that your answer will be correct. It will be 17. That is substituting the values of a and b. So, students, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Theory Math is so on top of the game this time around in 2024. I want to give you premium quality, okay? So make sure you stick around to keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for being here.